Let's explore 15 important action verbs you use when you shop or handle money. Buy. To buy means to give money in exchange for something. I buy clothes every weekend. Pay. To pay means to give money for a product or service. I pay $10 for this delicious coffee. Spend. To spend means to use your money to buy things. I spent too much money on shoes. Save. To save means to keep your money and not spend it. I save money every month to buy a new phone. Return. To return means to take a product back to the shop. I return the shoes because they don't fit. Exchange. To exchange means to replace one product with another. I exchange my t-shirt for a larger size. Bargain. To bargain means to negotiate or ask for a lower price. I bargain at the flea market to get a good deal. Borrow. To borrow means to take money or something temporary and give it back later. I borrowed $20 from my friend to buy lunch. Lend. And the opposite of borrow is lend. To lend means to give something temporarily to someone. I lend my friend some money to help him out. Invest. To invest means to put your money into something to make more money later. I invest in stocks to grow my savings. Earn. To earn means get money by working or doing something valuable. I earn money by working hard at my job. Afford. To afford means to have enough money to buy something. I can't afford this car right now, it's too expensive. Charge. To charge means to ask someone to pay a specific price. The shop charges $5 for a cup of coffee. Withdraw. To withdraw means to take money out of the bank account. I withdraw $100 from the ATM. Donate. To donate means to give money, clothes or item to help others. I donate clothes to charity every year. So those are 15 important action verbs you can use while shopping or handling money. Practice these verbs every day and you will sound like a pro while shopping or talking about money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.